What's up, gang, 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 gang? I ain't been nowhere, man. Let me fix my motherfucking hat. I ain't been nowhere. My bad, y'all. I haven't been able to upload. I've been too busy trying to get some more money and shit. What's been going on? Went to my anger management class. That's been cool. Jeep. My Jeep messed up. I don't know what's going on with my fucking Jeep. There's something going on with my fuses. I need some new fuses. You feel me? So we're gonna get some more fuses for that. They keep hesitating to start. It was not doing this shit. Now just all of a sudden I went to Swenson's the other night, and it just started tweaking basically. I'm driving right now. I'm in the Magnum. I just went to Harbor Freight. Fuck Amco. Fuck y'all. If y'all see this video, suck my dick. I do not like y'all no more, bro. Like my shit, my manifold still leaking a little bit, bro. It's like a tiny leak still in my fucking manifold. Like no, bro. Fuck them. I just went to Harbor Freight though. I got tightened up my rear lateral arm, whatever the fuck. I don't know what that is. All I know is when I turn or I go over bumps, it be like, woo, woo, like it's like I'm pushing down like a hella power when I'm not even hitting the gas. Basically, that's how it feels. If you ever been like in a higher horsepower car, if you floor it, you feel me? If you floor it or something like that, you will feel the tires be like, woo, 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 woo. Well, this does that going over a fucking bump or something, you feel me? So I checked that out and my fucking bolt is loose, of course. Stupid shit, basically. I'm tired of it. Forget Amco. Did get my refund back. My whole refund, I'm getting my whole refund from them working on this car. They still get paid, but I don't care. I need my money back personally, you know what I'm saying? It's a safety concern. I thought that was my dude. It's a safety concern, you feel me? So I don't like that. Sorry y'all haven't been able to upload. I'm trying to stay consistent as possible, but it's very, very, very hard because I've been working. But I do got a lot of videos about the videos that I'm about to upload. They're gonna be a little bit behind what today is. Like right now is November. Them videos gonna be probably from like June, September and shit. I was recording way back then, but I just didn't have a channel yet. Now that I got a channel, Jack. You read me? We out here every day. So, I'm gonna tap back in when we get back to the crib. Got the mag over here. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. Whew. Look at the beast. I got some bricks on the front. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm talking about, man. This bolt right here. Y'all see it? This one right here. Ooh. I'm about to tighten that one up real quick. Amco. And y'all see what it connects to. It connects to this bar back here. That one back here. That one. That one. You feel me? But I just want to tighten that one up real quick, man. Cause they ain't tighten it up. They trash. Look at all that rubber. That's basically it. Nothing too major. The Black Hawk sitting over here. The hood up. Motherfucker was acting tweaky. I wasn't able to get my snow mode on or nothing. But yeah, I'll record when I tighten this back up. If I have any problems, I'm gonna get back on here. Let's go. All right, boys, we got the wheel off. Rusty as hell back here, but all this shit's solid. You know what I'm saying? I'm placing all this shit with some Hellcat, but whatever. This is what I'm talking about right here. Y'all see this? So, suspension on these Dodgers are very, very, very heavy. There's my pipes back here too. If y'all want to see those. Got the muffler still on the back. Straight piped all the way front. Look at that. All the way down, boys. Yeah. New cats, new all that. Need to put my brakes on, but it's fall, as y'all can see. But I got this under here, so I can lift this up and get some weight off of this. Tighten it up, and yeah, should be good from there. Let's go, boys. Everybody, it's the next day. Whew. I don't know, all this should be in the same video. Me doing a little tightening up. I've been driving it, my Magnum. It's been doing pretty good. The Black Hawk is down, y'all. I don't know if I already said that, but it is definitely down. It starts to act up on me as soon as it starts to snow. I don't know why. It was not acting up on me. Never, actually. This is the first time this truck has ever acted up on me. Just to show y'all. Look at the weather, dog. I ain't even got no. See? It's snowing. I got good tires on here though, so that's a good thing. They all season tires on here. I don't got no good front tires though. My front tires is trash, but we'll be fine. Look at this shit right here though. The fuck, bro? You better be turning, bro. Like, what the fuck? But yeah, that's a new mean car. That motherfucker blew out. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm about to tap back in when I get to wherever I'm going. Shit. Fuck it. We back down here. Y'all see it behind me. About to drop her off. Yeah. Ugh. Yeah. Ah. Dropping her off though. See why we got the hard start. And I think it's just the relay, cause I don't. My check engine light ain't on. Let me show y'all. Up in here like that. My FCW off because when my battery died, it never turned back on. So I told them about that. They said they'd check that out. You know it like that is seatbelt, door open, but no engine light, no nothing. But it's just hard to start. These Jeeps is known for that, so gonna get it fixed. Look at that interior though, that butter looking. Woo! Make you wanna get on that clitoris meat. But yeah, dropping her dog down this motherfucker. Fred Martin. God damn it. How you feel about this? Oh man, they shitted on me, man. God damn. Y'all see that shit? Look at that shit. Bullshit. I'm gonna put my Goodyear tires back on here too. Got my brakes on there. Y'all see them looking real good. God damn it. Y'all see that Charger? I'm getting one of them next. This still look better, shit. I ain't even gonna cap to you. I like that white on the black though, I ain't gonna lie.
I like the leather smell in here.
Right, you ain't looked in there in 20 years, huh? Oh, you gotta rev it up for the game. Rev it all the way up, nigga. Shit. My chest.
I love that. It smells so nice in here. It's like leather heat.
Yeah.
It's got a red button.
Oh yeah, red button. You gotta have your red button. They don't even say start or nothing on that bitch. The dude at AutoZone, I had my chicken engine light on, y'all. Yeah, it came on because of my gas cap. I guess it wasn't on all the way. But you know me, I went straight to AutoZone. The dude got in the car, he was like, where you started at? I'm like, right there. He was like, it don't say nothing. Should I really push this button? I'm like, this look like this is bad. I'm like, yeah, when you start that son bitch up. That was before it was that hard starting shit. It was starting easy at that time. You know. But we're gonna figure it out, man. Should be like a little quick relay or something. I'm pretty sure it is, because my engine light ain't cutting on. It just won't cut on. Feel me? So I don't know. My lights did go berserk on me one time. I was at Swenson's and I kept trying to start my car up like 1,000 times. And I started it up, but I kept doing it to see if it keeps starting. And it started each time, and it made all the lights go berserk. I'm like, oh shit. Did I just reset some shit? So I took it home and just unplugged the battery and plugged the battery back up, and wasn't starting for a second. And then it started up. No check engine light though. But we gonna check back in tomorrow. We dropping off the Track Hawk, Black Hawk, Scat Pack. God damn it. It's cold. Hey, look at this shit, y'all. Look at this. Certainly. But if I leave my shit in there, somebody gonna take it.
You're supposed to drop it in here.
Y'all see that? That's the golden blew out key. You see that clitoris? That's how you put it up in there. Oh, I can't even get my shit back, bro. I left my
Left my heart in there.
man. Look at that. Whew. I ain't wiped none of that shit. I'm like, fuck this. I don't got my key.
No.
Where the song at? Yeah, that's how you do that. Yeah, it's a wrap. Y'all get the gist of it. Fuck. He clowning, look. I feel it. You know what I'm saying? All black down like the V. You heard me? Got the gang over there. Oh yeah, come to our YouTube, Drain the Black Hawk. Subscribe, like, share, tell your friends about it. If you want to see some action, come to my motherfucking page, boys.